Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video, we will be looking at what happens when you enter a printer name or do not enter a printer name at all. Okay, so you go to printer settings on your desktop application, you click on it. Okay, so over here is where you enter the name of your printer. Okay, we have other videos that shows how to go about it, how to check if your printer is correctly connected and is set up correctly. So do want to check all those videos out. Now, anytime you haven't connected anytime you have not entered the name of your printer, okay, we want to demonstrate how it looks like. Okay, so let's say you want to sell. Okay, you want to be able to sell either online or offline. Okay, you are able to do that. So we wait for, okay, so once it's ready, let's say we want to sell this particular item. Okay, and then we decide to sell with receipt. So this is what the message you get. Anytime you get this message, it means that the software is unable to access any printer, and this is not a printer. Okay, so anytime you have not entered a name, anytime you have not correctly entered the name of your printer, the software will not be able to correctly access that printer. Okay, so to solve that, you always make sure that when you go to printer settings, you enter the name of your printer. The name of my printer is XP80C. Okay, so when you click that, it says that the printer name is saved successfully. You click on OK. Then once you've done that, then now, okay, when you go to the new transaction and then you try to sell. Okay, so let's wait for it to load a bit. Okay, so if you try to sell, okay, then the name of the printer will pop up. But here you notice that we are unable to access the printer. As at the time I'm doing this video, that my PC is not connected to any printer. So this is the message you receive when your PC is not connected to any printer. So always make sure that your printer, okay, this will tell you that your printer is not connected well. So you want to, go and check all the setup, okay, and make sure that everything is connected successfully. When everything is correctly connected, okay, so when everything is connected correctly, under printer settings, you are able to click print test page, and once you click on the print test page, you are able to get either a success, your receipts will pop up, okay, to indicate that yes, your printer is correctly connected. Okay, so this is all for what happens when you enter a printer name or do not enter a printer name at all. I hope you enjoyed this video. There are more of these amazing videos available for you, so do well to check them all out. I'll see you again in our next video, so do have a wonderful time and bye bye.